Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute turnip head from the movie Howl's Moving Castle. It's one of my favorite movies, so I was super excited to make this figure. If you end up liking this video, let me know down below, or tell me what I should make next. Thank you, and enjoy the video! The materials that I used for this figure were oven baked clay. I usually use Fimo or Sculpting. I'm also using a ball tool, something to blend with, and an X-Acto knife. If you want to make yours into a charm, you can also use some eyepins. And then to glaze, I'm going to be using some UV resin. So the first thing I'm going to do is take some brown clay to make the stick that he's on. So I actually baked mine right after I cut it and got it to the right size so that I could stick everything else on and it wouldn't fall apart. I'll show you what I mean by that in about a minute. So I just went ahead and baked this piece. So next you're going to want to take some black clay. We're going to be making the body and the top hat out of this. So I'm going to start off by making one of the really small triangles for his body. And then you're going to take that triangle and attach it to that stick that you just baked. Next, you're going to take another piece of black clay and make another small triangle, a little bit smaller than the one that you just made for the upper body. You're going to do the exact same thing that you did with the last one and put that one on the stick as well. Next, I went ahead and blended those two pieces together so that it looked like it was all one solid piece. Next, you're going to take some white clay for the head and you're just going to shape it into a small circle. And then I went ahead and cut off just the top of it so that it would be flat for the top hat. And then this head is going to be a little bit bigger than your body is, like this. And then I'm going to take some more black clay so I can start making the top hat. This is just going to be a flattened out sphere that you can attach to the top of the head like I did right here. So next you'll need another small blob of black clay that's going to be for the top of the top hat, and you'll just put it on that piece that you just put down. Next, I'm rolling out some pink clay that will be for the ribbon that's around his top hat. Next, I'm taking another piece of black clay and then I'm going to roll it out to make the correct shape for the arms. Then I'm just cutting them so they turn out to be the same size. And then I'm attaching them to the body like this. And here's how it looks so far. Now I'm making the hands by taking another piece of white clay and rolling them into 2 little balls. Now I'm just flattening out a piece of blue clay for I think it's a shirt, the blue part that's on his body. Now I'm going to be using my purple clay to make that big bow tie that's on the front of his body. I'm going to do that by making 2 little circles and flattening them down like that, and then a tiny one for the center of the bow. Next, I'm taking another piece of black clay that I'm going to be shaping into like a half circle, and this is going to be used for his mouth. Then I went ahead and did the exact same thing. You just put it right on top to make it look like there's a black outline. Next, I'm rolling out another piece of black clay, and this will be used to make the lines on the mouth to make it look like he has teeth. And I'm actually going to do this 3 separate times. Now I'm rolling out 2 more balls to make his eyes. And I'm going to go ahead and attach them onto his head like this. I also took 2 balls of pink clay just to give him some blush right under his eyes as well. And now I'm taking that UV resin and just putting it all over him to give him a nice shiny look. It also helps keep all the stuff from falling off of him so that your face stays attached to him. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Let me know what I should make next in the comments down below. I'm always open to new options. Also, hit that subscribe or like button if you really like the video. It definitely helps me out. Only about 3% of my subscribers actually watch my videos. Thank you again for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.